Okay, here is a very sad story. I had this thing going, and it just runs like a bag of crap. So, Alex, I am going to demonstrate to you what this thing sounds like. Set this down here. Now, you told me that I shouldn't run it for very long. Like, I should probably run it less than 10 seconds because it's not in very good condition at all. Huh. So, if you paid very close attention to what it sounds like, my camera is kind of bad, so you'll have to figure it out. But it doesn't sound very good. I already unplugged it. Electric motors are touchy, so yeah. I might take this apart and get the motor out and probably ship it. Talk to you later. Bye.